Hey, what is up, guys? Alexa Rivera here from Tech Inspected Extras, and today we're unboxing and doing a quick test of a portable SSD from Seagate. This is the aptly named Seagate Expansion SSD. They did not get creative with this name, did they? This is an SSD portable, so this is great for people who want to transfer files, work on documents and then send them over, bring them over to the office and stuff like that. Or if you have like a, big amount of files that you want to transfer. This kind of stuff is good for like YouTubers and stuff like that because we transfer big video files between computers and, a portable hard drive just is too slow. This is rated up to 400 megabytes per second, which I don't know if that's true, but we'll find out. And this costs about 100 US dollars, possibly lower in more Western countries where this is more affordable. But in the Philippines, it's about 100 US dollars or 5,000 Philippine pesos. Let's get around to unboxing it. But before we get to that, LCS, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the review. I see you in the unboxing. Be very, very quiet. Okay, guys, so welcome back. And did you enjoy our ASMR unboxing? I don't know if you like it. I was just trying something out. So this is the what's it called? The Seagate Expansion SSD, and it is extremely tiny. What? This is so small. I don't have a portable hard drive right here, but a portable hard drive would be this big. This is much, much smaller. That is crazy because it looks like a little, I don't know. Let's compare it to my phone here. There's my phone. There it is. It's like a Tic Tac. It's like one of those boxes for Tic Tacs, but this is made of plastic. I thought it'd be made of metal, but there you go. And then the USB cable is braided, so that's a good thing. But it uses the, I believe, 3.0 type something. I don't know. This is an old connector. I didn't know this was still used, but I mean, it still works, no problem. There we go. That kind of connection is kind of awkward because most drives have the connection on top, but that's okay. It doesn't really matter. And then we have a USB 3.0 on the other end. I thought it'd be USB Type C, but it's using this connector. Back in the Galaxy S5 days, this is the charging point for a Galaxy S5. Do you remember those days? That was crazy. Anyway, We're gonna do a speed test and kind of end our video. All right, guys, that's it for our preview of the Seagate expansion SSD. It's such a tiny little thing. It's so cool. The plastic is not... You can probably crack this plastic, unfortunately. They should build a metal one. I'm sure the higher end versions of this SSD is metal. It's kind of weird that it's using this connector in 2021, or I guess 2019 when it was launched. 5,000 pesos or 100 US dollars for 500 gigs is pretty reasonable, given that internal SSDs are about the same, just under that. So this being external is nice. We got 437.59 read, 117.71 write on Crystal Disk Mark 8.0, I think 8.01. And we got 320 read and 183 write on real world testing with a 3.4 gig video file. Pretty much what I expect. Seagate claims 400 MB per second, which I'm for sure it's reading. That's very close to real world and Crystal Disk Mark. So that seems to be pretty good for me. Writing, not the best, but what can you do? This is kind of like a budget portable SSD, and I like the fact that it reads for pretty fast, because I'm going to use this as I'm going to install games on this. So reading is the most important part about games, and that's great for this. So that's it for our initial impressions and unboxing of the Seagate expansion SSD. 5,000 pesos, or about 100 US dollars for 500 gigs. I think it's excellent. They should have the cable built into this little box here, because you can do that these days, and then they package a small extension cable. That's what they should do, so you don't have to bring this and a kind of cable you can't keep like on the thing, right? Anyway, cable is nice though. It's braided, so yeah. The thing is, it's kind of hard to look for this kind of cable these days. This is kind of sort of... They should make this a Type-C cable too. Anyway, I think this was launched in 2019. Still, I think it's good. There you go. Alex from Tech Inspected Extras here. Thanks for watching. And LCS, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye-bye. Yeah, that's good enough for a thumbnail, I think.